Welcome to another PRReach.com video news release. In today's news, Jacuzzi Hot Tubs Portland, serving Portland, Tigard, Beaverton, Oregon, and Vancouver, Washington, was recently presented with Yelp's 2017 People Love Us on Yelp Award. Currently, the company has 19 five-star reviews, and it continues to grow. Sue Rogers, CEO of Jacuzzi Hot Tubs Portland, said, "Winning this Yelp Award is very meaningful. The company has a dedicated customer service team committed to helping each of our customers before and after the sale. All that effort has paid off." Yelp issues the award to businesses twice a year, based on high-quality reviews, photos, and easily accessible information to the consumer. Yelp features authentic reviews from friends and family, helping shoppers buy from companies they can trust. For luxury purchases like a jacuzzi hot tub or hydropool self-cleaning swim spa, choosing a top-rated company is even more important. Yelp helps consumers buy from companies who provide the service they deserve, from the in-store experience to the delivery and post-sale relationship. Investing in a hot tub swim spa or sauna is not something that people do every day, commented Rogers. Jacuzzi sales consultants are trained to pinpoint clients' unique needs and recommend the best spa. Whether they need to manage pain or simply spend more time with loved ones, at Jacuzzi Hot Tubs Portland, clients are guaranteed a high-quality spa at a fair price from a trusted local company. To encourage local residents to check out the benefits of using a hot tub, sauna, or swim spa to improve their overall health and well-being, Jacuzzi Hot Tub Portland is providing free test soaks at their Portland outlet store and Beaverton showrooms. They do recommend, however, that people wanting to schedule their free 30-minute soak call them ahead of time to reserve their spot. To learn more, just visit the company website or call 503-277-2170.